So next topic is types of force. First you watch this video. Earlier we have read so many examples. So we'll study now the different kinds of forces. So it has been divided into two broad categories. First is contact force, second is non-contact force. So when the objects actually touch each other physically, that type of force is known as contact force. Next is non-contact force, when we do not touch each other. For example, when you are using a magnet. So some examples are again given here, watch it. So contact force is again divided into many categories. First one is your muscular force. So when we use our muscles of hands, arms or legs and all for doing any work, that type of force is known as muscular force. You see the definition of contact force is given here. So example of different types of contact force. So you can see the laborers and all, they are doing their work with hands. So these are examples of muscular force when you are paddling bicycle and all, or when you are doing exercise. So we are using our arms and legs both. So these are examples of muscular force. Tug of war you can see. So these are examples of muscular force. So when we use the different body parts, that type of force is known as muscular force. I have joined this time animation and live video together. Even the animals also, when they are used in the bullock cart and all, so all these are all examples of muscular force. See, one mosquito has come here. So muscular force is a type of contact force. It's easier to understand like this. And I have already explained in the book PDF also. Even machines and all, they are used to do many tasks in factories, offices and homes. So the force that is applied using machines is called as mechanical force. So next class we'll continue this topic. Thank you.